Okay, I'm going to be giving you guys a grocery haul today. I went to Walmart and Publix. Excuse the little people in the background. It's a Saturday morning.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading.
So the Lunchables were buy 3, get 3 free. I got those. The detergent was buy 1, get 1 free. These weren't on sale, but I just got them for the kids as a treat. The pizza rolls were also buy 1, get 1 free. Bacon also not on sale, but we needed it for breakfast today. The eggs I was able to get with my wick along with the Welch's juice. The cookies were also buy 1, get 1 free. We have to get donuts every Saturday because we just do. So these are the Publix donuts. I didn't get any produce at Walmart. I prefer to get it at Publix, so I got mandarins, the cantaloupe. Ooh. The cantaloupe was buy 1, get 1 free, and I got bananas. I didn't like the way the strawberries or the blueberries looked, so I'm gonna try somewhere else. I also got the goldfish because they love the goldfish. These were also buy 1, get 1 free. The juicy juice was also buy 1, get 1 free. I got them more yogurt. These weren't on sale and they didn't have any yogurt on sale, so I just went with Danimals, and we still have some of the other yogurt left from my previous grocery haul. And then they also like these mini corn dogs. So that was everything I got from Publix, I think. Yes, so now moving on to Walmart. I'm gonna try these with the kids. Never tried them before, but it's a healthier snack than these, which is what I got for Trinity because she likes to eat these in the morning. I'm gonna try them with pudding. They never had it before, at least not to my knowledge, but I'm gonna try that. So I got vanilla and chocolate. Got some more juice at Walmart, and Brayden likes these. I think Bryce also likes these too when he's in the mood, so I got him these, got them these. Got them the pizzas, cheese, and pepperoni. Another quick thing for Brayden to eat in the morning before school. And then tuna for me, because that goes in my salad. More chips, because the kids love chips, of course. So I got these for the toddlers. And then Brayden loves the spicy chips, so I got him these finally, so we don't have to go to the store every day after school and get chips. For whatever reason, the kids like these shells and cheese, Velveeta, whatever. They don't like real mac and cheese, but they'll definitely eat this. So I got that, and it was cheaper at Walmart than Target. Got me some more coffee pods, and I got me a new can opener. I'm going with like a red themed kitchen, so I'll show you guys that probably at the end of this video once I get everything from Amazon. I have some stuff being delivered. So got a new can opener. This is not a part of the haul. Got some more Gatorade. It's always cheaper at Walmart for me, so I got these for Bryce for school. And then I got these for Brayden. Brayden likes to take these to school. Bryce likes this flavor for school, and it helps keep his sugar level up. So I got that. And then my little cleaning supplies. So I talked about using this in my last video, the kitchen deep clean video. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this for the appliances. I didn't like the bar kitchen cleaner, so I'm gonna try this on the appliances. We needed more dish soap, of course. And then I never tried this before. We have a disinfectant spray, but we don't have the cleaner, so I'm gonna also try this. Then I saw these. I'm gonna try this for the garbage disposal and see how these work out. And I like to use this in my laundry because it gives it a different, like a boost in the smell. And I also got some wet jet for the wet jet pad for the wet jet that we have. What else did I get? Oh, paper plates, because you know, paper plates. And the last thing I got were these bowls for the kids to put their like fruit and goldfish and small things like that. So that's pretty much it for the grocery haul. Now I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator and put all the groceries away. Going on here. That's because I didn't cook, but my little red aesthetically pleasing kitchen is coming along. So I have my can opener, my knives, my utensils. Can opener came from Walmart, as you saw. The knives came from Home Goods. The utensils came from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll link those below. And I also got these handle covers. You'll see how those look when I put them on. Those came from Amazon also. My little plant from Trader Joe's. It looks fake, but it's real. Low maintenance. So I haven't figured out what I'm going to put in here yet. But got this from Target. Switched the air fryer over here. Gonna clean all this up over here. And then gonna put my red dish towels in. So let's get to it.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing I will end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing I wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
I'm gonna be going in with this stuff called the pink stuff that I've been seeing all over TikTok to see if it'll remove the stains from my stove.
This is my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom.
As you can see, I had to go in twice for some of the tougher stains on the stove. I really like the way that this stuff cleaned my stove, and I like this product over the Barkeeper's Friend.
For us, I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. 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 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Now I'm going to be going in with the appliance wipes that I showed earlier in the video. I use this for the stove and for the refrigerator, and I really like the way this item makes my appliances shine.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
I really like the way these handle covers look in my kitchen. They really give my kitchen a different look. It makes it more aesthetically pleasing.
The things I love, the things I love. How we want the things I love, 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 the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and
some new mop replacement heads off of Amazon. They're not the Osido brand, but they work just as well, and they're easy to put on.
I keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep on trying.
Also, I saw on At Home with Tam, she poured steaming hot water into her mop water, so I did that in this video, and it got my floors super clean.
'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope this video gave you the inspiration that you needed today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.